Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you two things. First is if you are adding any apps in your mobile and that app is not shown on your home screen, then what you need to do. It is not showing here. And the second thing I will tell you later. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. If your new apps are not coming on the home screen, then go to the setting, go to the home screen. Here one home screen is there. Okay, now go down and here add new apps to home screen. This should be turned on, then you will not face that problem. And second thing what I wanted to tell you, if you are swiping it down, the home screen comes, but if you swiping from above, the notification panel is coming. If you want that swiping from here only the notifications panel comes, then just go to the setting and then go to the home screen, and then here swipe down notification panel. This should be turned on. So now as soon as you swipe down any place, the notification panel will come. So this is what I wanted to tell you, two things. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.